In this video, I'm going to show you how to massage the neck. And then we're just going to finish with some neck moves. We already did the neck face up. We can also massage the neck face down. Just gripping up. Incorporate the shoulders. Thumbs back and forth. And up and down. And nice circular motions with the knuckles. Once again, I'm going to show you some of the moves I did face up so you can see them. And that is to either the knuckles or the fingers. Start at the base of the skull, rotate, out, and then in. Drop down 1/2 inch, start at the spine, rotating the knuckles, come to the outer part of the neck, and then in. Drop down again, starting from the spine, rotate to the outer neck, and then in. Starting on the other side, right off the skull, press here, rotating, coming all the way out, and then all the way in. Again, finding the spine. Starting at the spine, go all the way out, and then all the way in. And then coming down, starting at the spine, come all the way out, and all the way in. And that is the end of our full body massage tutorial. We will be launching a new YouTube video every Wednesday and Friday at 3 p.m. and I'll be available for any questions you have or suggestions for future videos.